Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a DoorDash delivery driver or Dasher in Canada. First, open up your web browser on your phone or computer and search Become Dasher Canada. Click on the first official link that says Become a Dasher, Deliver with DoorDash. The first step is to enter your postal code so DoorDash can determine your location. Type in your postal code, then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to provide your email address. Type in your email, press Next, and then you'll move on to the final step. The last step is to provide your mobile phone number. The system will automatically detect the Canadian country code, so all you have to do is to enter your number. Once you do that, you'll receive a verification code by SMS. Enter the code and your Canadian Dasher account will be created. And that's it. That's how you can become a DoorDash delivery driver or Dasher in Canada. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.